about this everywhere. So I did the one thing nobody is doing properly. ChatGPT fans say nothing beats it. Claude users swear it's the smartest. And Gemini? Google says it's the future of AI. I tested ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini across real tasks: writing, reasoning, coding, research, and creativity. And trust me, the winner is not who you think. These aren't random experiments. These are the tasks that creators, students, founders, and everyday users actually use AI for. Who reasons the best? Who handles data best? Who understands humans? And which AI actually saves you time? Let's start the battle. ChatGPT is like a charismatic writer. Smooth, structured, and good at making things sound polished. But sometimes it gets a bit too polished, too predictable. Claude is the emotional genius. It writes like it's actually been through heartbreak. Its tone feels human, intimate, almost philosophical. Gemini? Gemini writes fast and confidently, but sometimes feels like it ate a Wikipedia page for breakfast. Winner. Claude. It's simply the best at storytelling and natural writing, right? Pure thinking and reasoning. So I tested something AI normally struggles with: logic puzzles, tricky questions, and moral dilemmas. ChatGPT was good, consistent, safe, predictable. Gemini was fast, sometimes too fast, and occasionally wrong. Claude. Claude broke the test. Coding and tech work. This is where things shift. ChatGPT is still the best coding tutor. Explain your bug, it fixes it. Explain your idea, it builds it with comments. Claude is extremely clean when generating code. Fewer hallucinations, great for quality. But Gemini had surprised me. Gemini can understand long code bases and summarize them incredibly well because it handles long input context better. Winner. ChatGPT. But with Claude, very close behind. If you're a developer, ChatGPT still feels like the most reliable partner, real-time information and fact-checking. This one wasn't even close. ChatGPT, with its deep research mode, can scan the web, compare sources, and give verified answers. Gemini should be the best here. It's made by Google, but sometimes oversimplifies or gets confused. Claude doesn't access live web data as deeply, but it's extremely careful with facts. Winner. ChatGPT. Image understanding and multimodality. Gemini shines here. It understands images, charts, graphs, screenshots really well, sometimes better than ChatGPT. Claude is improving but not as strong visually. Winner. Gemini. This is the round where Gemini clearly takes the crown. Safety and hallucinations. Claude is the most careful. Lowest hallucinations. ChatGPT is balanced, sometimes wrong, but structured. Gemini is fast, but also the most likely to be confidently wrong. Winner. Claude. If you want accuracy plus safety, Claude is the one. The final results. So here's the final scoreboard. ChatGPT, best all-rounder. Perfect balance of writing, coding, creativity, and research. Claude, smartest and most human-like. Deep thinking, emotional intelligence, clean writing, accuracy. Gemini, best multimodal visual AI. Fast, smart with images, and getting better with each update. If you want, I'll make a full breakdown of exact prompts that work best on each model and which tasks each AI is secretly overpowered at. Comment. AI battle. If you want that video next, make sure to subscribe. I break down AI for real people, not for hype. See you in the next one.